Welcome to Essence Meadowlands-NYC, where natural beauty meets urban sophistication, nestled on the banks of the iconic Meadowlands. Experience modern living in spacious, beautifully designed apartments, featuring sleek kitchens, elegant interiors, and large windows to take in those mesmerizing views. We offer a free buffet breakfast available daily 7 a.m. to 11 a.m., dry cleaning and laundry services, a 24-hour business center, free Wi-Fi, and free parking and more. Each of our 250 rooms also features a flat-screen television with cable service, coffee maker. Stay at Essence Meadowlands-NYC and enjoy visiting nearby attraction as Meadowlands Sports Complex, MetLife Stadium, American Dream, and NYC Skyline. Essence Meadowlands-NYC, where you'll find tranquility, luxury, and the essence of modern living. Essence Meadowlands-NYC, your gateway to an extraordinary lifestyle. Visit our website at essencemeadowlandsnyc.com for more details and to schedule a tour.